Hey dudes, boys and girls, how are you? Hey, I am retrofitting our 50th anniversary Camaro. Now it's the 50th anniversary of a Sizzler. Some old guy back on the days started with this toy. Amazing. Back on the 70s, 60s, this was the toy to have. Amazing that a car can run and everything. Hot Wheels were awesome, but something that runs was even better. Anyway, parts are scarce. These are unique cars, and the rear tires have always been a problem because they're old and you cannot get replacements. I mean, you can get cut hoses and whatnot. But the final solution, we have these the narrow Goodyears over there. Let me see if I can get one of these. Sorry, guy, I'm gonna have to mess up your pile. This is we're preparing for the next wheel sale. They're going out. That's sold. All these are sold. They just got here, all this is sold. So yeah, they're going out of the truck, literally. And they're really sold. I just taking them apart, so I'm playing around with them, having fun. Anyway, these tires are very nice. They're flexible. They do have a Goodyear logo in it. They're flexible and they're very sticky and they're thick. Not only that, they stretch wide enough to fit in here. Now, it doesn't seem like a lot of difference, and why changing it? Well, because the other ones are old, the new ones are new, of course, and they're stickier too. They're not hard plastic. Not only that, you get more ground clearance. These cars are very low on ground clearance. The tracks are not well made, so there's a lot of bumps and imperfections on the track. So they drag. When they drag, they tend to do crazy things like spin around and get slow and whatnot. It's good to have bigger wheels to get clearance, but as you can see, I already wore this up to get enough clearance there with a big wheel to lift it up. So yeah, the trick was to get more clearance and not having it to rub in here, just like you do on the cars nowadays, okay? Now, when you change the radius, you also change the speed of the car. That's awesome. So these are the wheels for the anniversary car. I gathered this up, scavenged it from another vehicle. And there's two of them. One with the original Hot Wheels Sizzlers and one with our already installed wheel. All right, so we're gonna use our handy tool here. Okay, so we're gonna close it back up, turn the 0. All right, so wheel number 1. I try to do this with my hands, with one hand. All right, wheel number 1, weight higher on it. This is giving us about 13.40 millimeters. We're gonna lock it right there to make sure. There you go. It doesn't move. Now we go with our wheel number 2. Now this one has our rubber in it. You can see it's not fitting in, meaning that it has created a big longer radius. Let's see what it does. Let's loosen it up. Yeah, okay. See if we can fit that in there. Open, open, open. A little more. Come on, guys. There you go. Yep. Okay. No. Aye. All right. There you go. Okay. Yep. So there's a very good change of radius there. That's tight. Very toy, like a toiger. We got 13.90 millimeters to, as opposed to the other measurement you can see is low. So as a result, I got a bigger radius tire, slickier. This is good. That's the test. Stick my fingernail on it. There we go. There you go, see? Stickier. And it goes back to its original size. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm installing these tires. I just got them. They're really hard to get because nobody had them. So special made for us right there. And we also have the stickier fat tires. So we have a set of stickier tires. Now, these wheels over here are gonna be selling. They just got here. I gotta get them out and treat them. Some I'm gonna paint and use on the cars I'm building right now. And some of them are gonna be for sale. This is the wheel, okay? They come on in their case. This is one of them. They got different styles. Okay, there you go. Now these are monoblocks. All right, this is the box of it. Yeah, they're monoblocks. right there, which is fine for me because I'm gonna use them on my cars anyway. So that's my axle. That will be pretty close. I drill them up a little bit, and I can probably retrofit these wheels in here. Now they're so small that's not gonna lift my car, so I'm gonna have to put a fat tire, and that's you can the deal with these wheels that I get. I buy the tires to fit on it, so you can change the tires. You can have European style tires like that, you know, with the logo. We got Dunlops, we got Goodyears, or you can have all slicks, all four fat, or fat on the backs, the skinnier on the front. All right, so I got one tire retrofitted with our tires, one of the wheels retrofitted with the tires, and another one even bigger, big and fat. That will probably work there. About that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, sugar daddy. There you go. See that's the drastic change from those wheels just with the tire. So we will be offering the wheels that come in this little nice case over here, and come with everything you need. You will have your set of tires there that you can retrofit to these tires. I believe these tires are $5 a set. I got Dunlop and Goodyears. And these tires are, the fat tires are like $8 a set. Yeah. The wheels are $10. There'll be packages that can be together, wheels and tires, discounted, for sure. Spend more than $30 and it's free shipping. They're going to go to my Etsy store. The link will be on our Facebook page. So anyway, I'm gonna go retrofit this car. Now this car is gonna be raffled, not raffled, I'm sorry, auctioned, celebrating the 50th anniversary. Beautiful car, front lights, grill, all four rear lights. I'm gonna put it on the dyno, checking the battery, checking, make sure everything is up to par on this car. And I'm putting new tires on it, so this is gonna be fast. I'm gonna finish with this guy, and I'm gonna take more inventory. These wheels are going. This little guy needs to get out of here. That needs to get out of here.